Hi, welcome to Code Wars. In this series, I'm gonna solve TDD's katas using JavaScript. I'm Anatol, and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here, start now by subscribing. Let's solve today's kata titled Counting Sheep. Consider an array of sheep where some sheep may be missing from their place. We need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. True means present. And don't forget to check bad values like null and defined. Okay. I will return an array and let's use filter method. I will check each element whether it is true or not, and then will return a length of that new array. So array of sheep and then filter. For each x, check whether x is true. Now I have a new array with only true elements and then return a length. Let's check it. Yes, it works. Now let's optimize this solution. Let's use an array function so it will be shorter. And then an array itself, and I don't need this return. And the results, let's check. Yes, now instead of this comparison I can use just x. So I check whether x is truthy, and in that case it means that it is true and not false or null or undefined. In that case I will receive a new array, and that is done according to requirements. Now it works, and now I can make it even smarter. I can set this function, I can put boolean. So it means that inside filter method all elements will be coerced into boolean value and then compare it whether they are truthy or not, and return a new array with only true elements. Let's try. Yes, it works. I like it. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.